year's festive season is particularly special as it coincides with the 2026 general elections period. All security agencies are on heightened alert to guarantee that celebrations across the country take place in a peaceful, safe, and orderly environment. The Uganda Police Force, together with its sister security agencies, remains steadfast in its commitment to safeguarding the safety and well-being of all. We encourage everyone to celebrate responsibly, remain vigilant, and cooperate with the security personnel as we work together to ensure a joyous and secure festive season for all. There are only a few days left to Christmas, and as we prepare to welcome the new year 2026, the Uganda Police Force extends heartfelt greetings to all Ugandans and residents. We wish everyone peace, joy, and meaningful celebrations with family, friends, and loved ones.